not be fooled by the fact that I clean for a living. I procrastinate just as badly as you guys. But today I'm going to tackle those jobs that I've been putting off for far too long. And I'm going to time myself and compare it to how long I've been putting it off for. So let's get into it.
1 year.
One whole year I've had in my dirty, gross dining chairs from you guys. And honestly, I think I deserve a medal because I don't think any of you suspected that I was going to have this many stains on my chairs. I have no kids, so I can't even blame a child, but I can blame the pug that insists on sitting on the dining chairs all the time. Don't talk to me unless you've tried to tell a pug what they can and can't do. Do you know when I tested out the stain striker to you guys? Yeah, I actually only did one chair, so I have 5 more to do. I've been putting it off for a year and it took me a total of
25 minutes.
Quickly moving on to the worst drawer in the house, the bin drawer, which I've been putting off for
4 days.
Okay, in my defence, Tom's been away on a stag do, and in our house this is a blue job, this is his job, so I have probably avoided taking the bin out for 4 days. However, I have been avoiding cleaning the actual drawer for much longer. Don't even ask me the last time I cleaned the actual bins, it's probably been over a year. But when I commit, and I'm now starting to understand why